In this video, I will show you how to enable location in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, for whatever reason you want to enable your location on Google Chrome, some websites do ask that you have your location enabled. The process to do this is first of all to open up Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Now, once you've got Google Chrome open, come up to the top right hand corner. What you want to do is click onto these three dots to open up this menu, and then what you can do is come down and click onto settings. That's down at the bottom on this menu. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. Then in the privacy and security section, what you want to do is click down at the bottom onto site settings. On site settings, you're going to see a screen like this. What you want to do is scroll down to the permission section just down here, and you're going to see the option for location. So give that a click. Then what you want to do is make sure that this is set to sites can ask for your location, and click onto expand all requests. And once that's done and you visit a website that's going to ask for your location, you're going to get a pop-up just saying that that website needs access to your location. Just go ahead and agree, and that's going to enable your location. And that is how to enable location in Google Chrome. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.